girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
From the phone, but I love me a bitch. They on my dick and shit, my little secret. Tryna dish me, blow up my peeping. I can't respond with this do as you people. If I left some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shovel won't be, and I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love it. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab a neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bears, and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' chill, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hill, I chill with my children. The bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strand, and I thought up, they talk for my artists, they making me an office. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, lost Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave with 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my Carter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of.
Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep it.
I'm finna stand tall in it, I'm all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan.
it's Dom the Tastemaker, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Megalook hair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous chocolate brown curly unit. I absolutely love this. I just love chocolate hair on chocolate girls. I just feel like it's just the perfect color for us, and it just looks so good. Right now, my hair is currently semi-wet. I do have some foaming mousse on it as well, which is going to make the color look a little bit darker, and I also have some water on my hair as well. But you guys were able to see earlier, you know, what the color was truly giving, and this color is absolutely amazing, you guys. I was definitely sold on the color alone. But one of my favorite things about this unit is that it is a 5x5 closure unit, and it's also a glueless unit as well. So if you don't want to use any product for this one, you definitely don't have to. It does have an elastic band in it. However, even though it does have the elastic band, it also has the adjustable strap in the back, and it has combs in it as well. But nonetheless, though, you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Now, they claim that this is a 26-inch unit. However, for me, it seems a lot shorter than that, and I do understand because of the texture, it could make it look a little bit shorter than what it actually is, but like a 26-inch. But I think it's just because, you know, they usually go off of the stretch length. So the stretch length is pretty far down, but to me, it just gives, you know, shorter than a 26-inch. So I do want to mention that, because if you do order something that's 26 inches or 28 inches or longer, you guys can know exactly what you're going to expect, and you guys can see where the hair is truly going to hit on you. Now, for reference, I am 5'2", so I'm definitely on the shorter side. This unit will look a little bit longer on me because I am so short, but I do want to let you guys know that this is what their 26-inch is hitting like. So I'm going to turn to the side and stand up so you guys can see where it's hitting on me in the back. So this is where it's hitting in the back. Let me turn all the way around. And then let me pull it so you guys can see the stretch length. So that is somewhat of the stretch length. Here's what it looks like on this side. So as far as customizing goes, I did customize this unit. I did pluck it, and I also bleached the knots in this unit and washed the hair, of course. And if you guys are wondering, yes, you can bleach the knots on this unit. I was gonna put concealer in my part, but this actually doesn't need any concealer. This is what the parting space is looking like, and it looks really good. I really like how it turned out, and I did use the Ebony New York tinted lace spray in the color medium dark brown. I absolutely love this product, and I'm so glad that I finally have my hands on it, because you guys know, like, for a minute there I just didn't have this, and girl, it was just like, ugh, I was hating that, I'm not gonna lie. But now I have my favorite product back in stock with me, and I did use this today to tint the lace on it, which is definitely gonna make it look a lot more natural and help you have more of a seamless install. This is what the hair is giving. This is an up close look at it. Like I said, the hair is still semi-wet right now, and I do have foaming mousse on it as well, but maybe like some of the pieces underneath here, you guys can really see how pretty that chocolate color is. And like I said, it just looks so good on my skin tone. But I just love when it's like chocolate and curly like this. And it's a bust down closure unit, which is perfect because you guys know closure units are so quick and easy to put on. A unit like this, you don't have to do much to it. If you're in a rush and you have somewhere to be, girl, you can just put this on real quick and you're good to go. Especially if you already have like the baby hairs done on it. Yep, you just put it on and on. We love that. We absolutely love that. And shout out to Megalook, because Megalook definitely has some really good units. If you haven't checked them out before, I'm telling you, you guys should definitely check them out. Try out some of their different units on the website. I've definitely tried a lot of their units. I've tried so many at this point, so I can definitely give you guys my honest opinion about the company's hair overall, and they do have really good quality units. And the other thing about this one that I did like about it, I like the density on this one. This one was definitely very full. Even though I plucked it, it still is very full. But yeah, if you guys want to check this unit out, I will leave a direct link to this unit down below. Shout out to Megalook for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for showing me so much love and support, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.